Oh shit.
How are we going, guys? Well, we have some bad news today, but we finally stripped down the transmission and the transfer case. What we found, I already knew we were going to find something like that, so anyway, skip the boring parts and I'll show you. Let's go. So as you can see here on the inside of the pinion gear, there's a shiny part down the very bottom of the tooth. That's indicating where it's been wearing too much. So I dare say due to the lack of oil, would have ground down the pinion gears a lot. And then the crown wheel, you can see at the very bottom here, at the bottom of the tooth, you can see that there is another wear mark. I'm now disassembling the ACD part of the front diff. This is basically a part that's connected to a pump in the boot, and what happens is when you go on certain terrains, the pump will then send fluid to that section of the diff, and it will engage clutch packs inside there to stop it from slipping. So as you can see here, these are the clutch discs and the gripping surfaces, I guess you call it. I'm not too knowledgeable about these. I just know enough to pull it apart and inspect it. So to remove this one here, which is your shifting mechanism, you undo 5 10mm bolts and you come down here and there's a little retaining nut that sits in the side here. You undo that, and then that comes straight out. So this is actually the arm that selects the gears, or helps locate them. So I haven't even got the transmission apart yet, and as you can see in there, that does not look good at all. These bits fell out. It looks like a bit of a gear. So this is going to be very interesting once I get it apart. I actually couldn't find very much information on stripping down an Evo 8 6-speed gearbox, so I'm just trying to wing it at this point. So finally I started to do a bit of looking around. I found that this cover here was on, and there was a bloody retaining ring in there this whole time that I've been trying to struggle to get it off. So I ended up curling it out and then inching it over, bending it, inching it, bending it, inching it, and then just finally it come out. So now we can get this pain in the ass cover off. Well, I think that'll do it. A bit of damage in here. The gears are basically locked in place. Some nice presents down below. So definitely shagged. Surprised there's not much damage on any of the other gears. But I think I'll be going 5-speed just because of the reliability. So let's pull these out and inspect it a bit further. So unfortunately we couldn't get the gear set out of the gearbox. I used a hammer and a pin to knock the pins out of the selector forks, so then we can be able to move the shafts up enough to get these out. It broke off in there as you saw, so we'll just have to leave it for now. But you can see from here it's done quite a lot of damage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 10 gears broken on, just 10 teeth broken off just that one gear. So yeah, time to go bigger and better. So here is the magnet from inside the transmission. Whole bunch of gear teeth. It did its job. Thank you. It didn't damage any of the other gears. As you can see, they're all in pretty good condition. The magnet just sits down in here and it caught every bit of gear tooth that was broken, so. Alrighty guys, that's going to conclude today's episode. Hope you liked it. So stick around, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.